You are watching T to the M to the I D D.
Good morning. We are reporting live from Algarve, Portugal. All right, it is morning time. You can see the sun is shining, but we're about to get these shots. Let me give you a little view of the house. Me.
Where's your phone at?
Where's my phone? Oh, we was having a group meeting. Yeah.
You want a date?
Why not doing it?
Oh, it's nothing cold in here.
Yeah, it feels good in here.
Stop slime! How you
Slime?
doing?
How you doing?
Who are you?
You've been waiting to say that, huh? Yeah.
I've been practicing on everything.
Oh yeah? So you got some more stuff, huh? Nah.
Free countdown.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 1. What are we doing? Waving or?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, no one counted.
Our room might be a shit.
Oh, okay. She is giving me a disclaimer. So you blaming it on her? Okay, so she's the messy one.
I don't know whether to just quickly I'm like it before Robin. I just spent my life cleaning up after.
Yeah, I'll stay right here until you're ready.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Okay. Okay.
But everything else is not very colourful. This one's cute with like red or white bottoms. Los Angeles.
Oh yeah. Look. Yeah. One, two, three. Let me get one more right here. 1, 2, 3. I like bend down one more time, and then we're gonna do some standing up. 1, 2, 3. We gotta risk it all right here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. All right, so where are we headed to?
We are heading to Club Now.
Club
And
Now.
we're gonna do beach photo shoot first, then go get a meal together, and
Yeah,
then come back and shoot maybe more stuff.
more stuff. It's time. Let's get that content. So let's do it. Alright, I'm gonna say who I'm here with, and then you just say where they can find you at. Alright? On your Instagram.
Okay.
Alright? 1, 2, 3. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I D D. Beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Fire. Yes. This is like the best.
Good.
Oh wow.
The only one with the flash.
The only one. Yeah. Woo!
Next, please.
Can I get a Mai Tai? Can I get
Fire right there. I'm gonna bring this around just a little bit more. And get another shot right there. Perfect. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. Natty with a baddie. Natty with a baddie. Let's get, can you come through here a little bit? Actually, yeah, because that light hit me perfect right there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's fine. Right. We are good.
Good to go.
Good to go.
D to the motherfucking D. Come on, turn it up.
Hey, 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 hey. Right here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.